Aluminum containers, how safe are they to eat in? Toronto is about to suck it. Yeah, with a potential trash-sucking hole. I mean, I know, what kind of sorcery is this? And the Restaurant Canada show is ramping up for its debut March 1st to the 3rd. I'm gonna give you details on what to expect, which is why my usual background has changed as we too are gonna be at the show. What's good, everyone? My name is Elvish P, and you're tuned in to Food Packaging TV. How many of you order catered food and they show up in one of these aluminum steam trays? Or what about some hot roti in an oblong container? Meals on Wheels, anyone? Aluminum trays are great. They're affordable and they're recyclable. And if you're looking for cooking some hot food, it does a good job. But how healthy are they to eat out of? Did you know aluminum is a dangerous toxin that you need to avoid because it can harm your health? Yep. According to the International Journal of Electrochemical Science, that's a real thing. Anyway, they stated that aluminum foil used in cooking provides an easy channel for the metal to enter the human body. The increase in cooking temperature causes more leaching. Dun, dun, dun. The leaching is also highly dependent on the pH value of the food solution, and salt and spices additional that you add to the food solutions will also increase the leaching. Aluminum foil is not suitable for cooking, especially with acidic food. It's also possible that excessive consumption of food baked with aluminum may carry a serious health risk. What kind of risks? Well, research shown that aluminum is a well-established neurotoxin and is suspected to be linked with various diseases, including Alzheimer's disease, ALS, Parkinson's, and breast cancer. It basically acts like a poison on your nervous system. How can you reduce your intake or risk of aluminum exposure? It's impossible to completely remove aluminum from your diet and your environment, but you can work to minimize it. How, you say? Well, avoid aluminum products as much as possible. But if you absolutely must use them, especially in your food operation, then I have some good news and not so good news for you. The good news is there is an amazing new series of aluminum pans with built-in or stamped-in wax liners from Finland. They're beautiful. They make it easy for you to cook in, bake in, and will eliminate the leaching of aluminum into your food. Now for the not-so-good news. And at present, these trays are not available in North America. Wah, wah. But whosoever wishes to get their hands on these, connect with me, and I'll be able to get you the source for these items, and I think it's amazing for retail and for commercial use. Toronto's neighborhood of the future will have trash-sucking garbage tubes. Sidewalk's Lab, a company owned by parent behemoth Alphabet, which also owns Google and YouTube, has been looking to create a new city to test design ideas prior to real-world implementation. They're calling it Quayside, and it's Toronto's waterfront district that has become the most badass city, or may become the most badass city within a city. It's like Middle Earth for any Elvish people watching. It's a 190-acre Innovation, Development, and Economic Acceleration District, or IDEA, where the concept is to start building from the internet up. What does that even mean, exactly? Is it like build on zeros and ones and gibberish characters like The Matrix? What is The Matrix? Their MIDP, or Master Innovation and Development Plan, is quite extensive, including snow-melting pavements, package delivering robots, and self-driving shuttles. But the most interesting to me is their sustainability and waste management program. Sidewalk Labs proposes to install an underground pneumatic tube system that would vacuum waste from the 3 building chutes from the recyclables, trash, and organics to a neighborhood collection point. It's kind of like Elon Musk's Hyperloop concept, except instead of transporting people, it'll be an express tube for your trash. The pneumatic system would use pipes to send waste at up to 70 kilometers per hour to a consolidation center where the garbage truck would make one stop in a given geographic location. It's a proven technology in Europe. Vacuum tubes collect waste, recycling, and organic waste streams, and it reduces what goes into the landfill. The second part of the system is what I really like the best. It sends the organic waste from the neighborhood collection point to an anaerobic digestion facility for conversion into clean biogas and fertilizer. The system also keeps garbage trucks off the streets, making them safer and less congested, and of course, less fuel consumption, and far greater efficiency, reaching sustainable waypoints. The project deadline is May 20th, 2020, and it's to be approved and who knows, maybe one day, pneumatic trash tubes could become a thing in Toronto. We are less than 1 week away from the Restaurant Canada show. We're going to be there, live, to bring you the hottest news and updates in food packaging and experiences, and a heck of a lot more. The RC show is scheduled for March 1st to the 3rd at the Enercare Center in Toronto. I'm super excited. I'm going to be there. My very first time, I made my own food packaging shirts and business cards. Oh, and have you ever played the game Heads Up? Well, it's a game where there's a word on your phone, and the objective is for the person holding the phone like this to guess what the word is by having the other person across from you doing their best to describe what the word is without actually using the word. If we meet, we'll play, and who knows? You may win something awesome. But speaking of winning, make sure you stop by our booth 905. That's where I'll be unless I'm roaming the 250,000 square foot floor. But we're giving away the first ever blockchain encrypted laptop for that lucky winner. And we're going to make that announcement. The draw is going to be on Monday, March 16th, right here on Food Packaging TV. Well, folks, that's going to make it a wrap today. I'm Elvish P. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. This is Food Packaging TV. We'll see you next week on the RC show. Toodaloo. Including snow melting pavement packages. Sorry. It's like Elon Musk's Hyperloop concept, except instead of transporting people, it's going to be an express tube for your trash. Fudge! Including snow melting pavement packages. No, fudge.